With your violin beginner set, you get a case. You have a sticker with the notes, rosin, a wiping cloth, the bow, an armrest, extra strings, and a tuner. So with the tuner, you may have to do this several times every time you play it, but this will help you with keeping it in tune. Then this is how you will place your stickers on the violin. To break up the rosin, you just scrape it with something sharp, make a powder, and then you're going to slide your bow across it, and you'll do this several times. And again, this may be something you need to do every time you play, as it just helps make the bow slide across the strings much easier. Here's how you will place that extra brace for when you're playing the violin. This is a really nice starter violin set.